Welcome to my review of the Surfshark affiliate program. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the details of this affiliate marketing opportunity. Surfshark, known for its top-notch VPN service, offers an affiliate program that allows you to promote their VPN and earn commissions. The program is easy to join and provides a straightforward platform to manage your referrals. First, let's dive into the sign-up process. You can visit the Surfshark affiliate program page and click on the Join Now button to create an account. Once you're in, you have access to a variety of marketing materials, including banners, links, and landing pages, all designed to help you effectively promote Surfshark's VPN services. The commission structure is another key point of this program. Surfshark offers competitive rates, allowing you to earn a percentage of the sales that are made through your referral links. This can add up over time, especially if you're reaching the right audience who values privacy and security online. In terms of the tools they provide, Surfshark has a clean, user-friendly dashboard that lets you track your referrals and earnings. You can see detailed reports on your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. This helps ensure that you can optimize your efforts for maximum revenue. Now, many people are curious about how long it takes to get paid. Surfshark has a reliable payment system, and payouts are typically made on time. The minimum payout threshold is reasonable, making it accessible for smaller affiliates who are just getting started. Another important aspect of this program is its customer support. Surfshark offers great support for its affiliates, providing assistance when needed. Whether you have questions about payments, commissions, or marketing tools, the support team is available to guide you through the process. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that might help you with your affiliate marketing journey. These links aren't related directly to Surfshark, but they're great resources to explore after watching this video. Finally, I want to talk about the potential for long-term success with the Surfshark affiliate program. As privacy and online security become more important, the demand for VPN services is increasing. Surfshark's strong reputation in the VPN space gives affiliates a solid product to promote, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enter the affiliate marketing space in the cybersecurity niche. If you're looking for a reliable affiliate program with good earning potential, I highly recommend giving Surfshark a try. The program is easy to join, offers competitive commissions, and has all the tools you need to succeed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tips on affiliate marketing. Like this video if you found it helpful, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.